Every second, thousands of crispy potato chips are made, but almost nobody knows what really happens inside this incredible factory. It all begins with fresh potatoes arriving directly from carefully selected farms. Only the best potatoes are chosen to continue the journey. Before production begins, every potato is thoroughly washed using powerful water jets to remove dirt and impurities, ensuring the highest food safety standards. Next, advanced peeling machines remove the potato skins while intelligent optical scanners inspect every potato and automatically reject anything that doesn't meet quality standards. The selected potatoes are then sliced into perfectly thin pieces by razor-sharp high-speed blades. This precision slicing is what gives every chip its signature shape and crunch. The fresh slices are gently rinsed to remove excess starch, helping every chip cook evenly and achieve the perfect crispy texture. Now comes one of the most important stages. The potato slices enter giant industrial fryers, where precise temperature control transforms them into beautiful golden chips. After frying, the chips travel across vibrating conveyors where excess oil is removed, preparing them for the next exciting step. Inside massive rotating seasoning drums, delicious flavors are evenly coated onto every chip, giving each bite the taste people know and love. The freshly seasoned chips are carefully cooled, preserving their crisp texture before they move into the fully automated packaging line. Advanced vision systems inspect every chip for color, size, and quality. Any chip that doesn't meet the standard is automatically removed. High-speed packaging machines accurately fill every packet with the perfect amount of crispy chips, while maintaining incredible production speed. Each packet is then filled with nitrogen gas, protecting the chips from breaking and keeping them fresh until they are open.
We keep our chips
Powerful
so fresh,
sealing machines
every bag
securely
is gently
close every
filled with
packet,
nitrogen. This
locking in
pushes out the
freshness
oxygen
before
to
the
lock in that
products
fresh
continue
flavor.
toward shipment.
Then it's sealed
Robotic
tight for a
systems
perfect crunch
automatically
every
pack
time.
the finished chip packets into cartons, preparing thousands of boxes for delivery every single day. From the factory warehouse, trucks transport millions of packets to supermarkets and stores across the country and around the world. Finally, the crispy chips reach store shelves, ready to become the perfect snack for millions of families every day. From fresh farm potatoes to perfectly seasoned crispy chips, every step combines advanced technology, precision engineering, and strict quality control. Thanks for watching Skate Factory Docs. If you enjoyed this documentary, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell us which factory we should explore next. See you in the next documentary.